the CBSE chapter number 7 integrals exercise 7.1 problem number 1 integral sin 2x dx sin 2x different integration value minus cos 2x then put divided by 2 then plus c. Second problem integral cos 3x into dx cos differentiation sin therefore sin 3x next coefficient of x is 3 so put divided by 3 plus c. Then integral e power 2x into dx e power integration value the same e power next coefficient of x is 2 therefore put divided by 2 plus c. Next integral ax plus b the whole square into dx is equal to ax plus b the whole power here 2 means here 2 plus 1 that is 3 by 3 coefficient of x is a therefore here a plus c. Then integral sin 2x minus 4 into e power 3x into dx is equal to sin differentiation minus cos 2x coefficient of x is 2 therefore by 2 then minus 4 into e power 3x integration value e power 3x by 3 plus 6. This is problem number 5. This is exercise 7.1. Solve the problem by using the method of inspection. Question number 1. Integral sin 2x dx. We want to find the answer. Here the method of inspection means we want to use the anti-derivation and also we look for a function whose derivative is sin 2x because question is sin 2x. So you want to find the function whose derivative is sin 2x. Therefore d by dx of cos 2x because cos is differentiation term will be contained sin. Therefore d by dx of cos 2x is equal to minus sin 2x into 2. Reason x coefficient is 2 therefore into 2. Next only sin 2x is equal to this minus 2 will be 1 by minus 2. Therefore sin 2x is equal to 1 by minus 2 d by dx of cos 2x. Then take the integral dx on both the sides. So integral on both the sides means here integral sin 2x dx, here integral the whole term next to dx. Dx and dx cancel, minus 1 by 2 integral d of cos 2x. For example, integral dx means x, integral dy means y, integral d of cos 2x means cos 2x. Or another simple way, when we are taking the integral on both the sides, this d by dx and the integral will be cancelled, remaining 1 by minus 2x into cos 2x. That is the answer. Next, problem number 2. Problem number 2, integral cos 3x dx is equal to what? Again we look for a function whose derivative is cos 2x. Simply sin 3x. So not cos 2x, cos 3x. d by dx of sin 3x is equal to cos 3x into 3. Reason x coefficient is 3, therefore into 3. Next we need only cos 3x, therefore consider cos 3x only. Remaining 3 will be goes to the left side, therefore this 3 will be now 1 by 3 d by dx of sin 3x. So cos 3x answer is 1 by 3 d by dx of sin 3x. Take integral on both the sides. Integral cos 3x dx is equal to, here when we are taking the integral and the d by dx will be cancelled, therefore remaining 1 by 3 and sin 3x. Next problem number 3, integral e power 2x dx. Solution, d by dx of e power 2x is again e power 2x. We need the answer is should be the same function. Therefore d by dx of e power 2x that is e power 2x into 2. Reason coefficient of x is 2. Next we need only e power 2x. Therefore e power 2x equal to this 2 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 d by dx of e power 2x. Therefore e power 2x is equal to 1 by 2 d by dx of e power 2x is the last term. Next we want to take the integral dx on both the sides. So integral dx function is e of e power 2x is equal to, here when we are taking the integral d by dx will be cancelled. Then remaining 1 by 2 and e power 2x then plus c. Now problem number 4. Integral ax plus b the whole square dx. Solution, we want to make ax plus b the whole square. Therefore, d by dx of the function power cube. Power 3 means differentiation answer is in terms of square. Therefore, d by dx of ax plus b the whole cube is equal to 3 into ax plus b the whole square, because it is it is like x power n. So n into x power n minus 1 formula. Then here x coefficient is a, therefore a. But I need only ax plus b the whole square. Therefore, this 3a will be goes to the left side. Therefore, this 3a will be 1 by 3a d by dx of this. Therefore, ax plus b the whole square is equal to 1 by 3a d by dx of ax plus b the whole cube. Next, take integral on both the sides. Integral dx is equal to, here taking integral d by dx and integral will be cancelled, remaining 1 by 3a and ax plus b the whole cube plus c. This is method of inspection to find integral of the function ax plus b the whole square. Next, problem number 5. Integral sin 2x minus 4 into e power 3x into dx. Consider the first function sin 2x. So this is like problem number 1. We are looking for the function whose derivative is sin 2x. Therefore, take cos 2x. d by dx of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into 2. I need only sin 2x. Therefore, this minus 2 will be left side, 1 by minus 2. So sin 2x is equal to 1 by minus 2 d by dx of cos 2x. Take integral on both the sides. Here d by dx cancel. Therefore, answer minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. We can add plus c. Then second function, take e power 3x only. E power 3x will be differentiation of e power 3x, but we want to multiply 3. Therefore, d by dx of e power 3x is equal to e power 3x into 3. This 3 will be in left side, therefore 1 by 3. So e power 3x is equal to 1 by 3 d by dx of e power 3x. Take integral, d by dx cancel, remaining 1 by 3 e power 3x. Now we have two answers. In between you want to put minus and 4. So write the first answer, then minus 4 into second one answer is 1 by 3 e power 3x. This is the final answer.